Hey guys, this is Big Ben here, Gander RV. Today I'm going to go over this awesome fifth wheel with bunks in the back. It has an outdoor kitchen, tons of storage. So let's get right to the camper. It's an Atlas 2942 BHF as in Frank. I'm not sure what that means. Super nice camper, so let's get to it. Here we are in the front of this Atlas fifth wheel. It does have the really nice front window. Opens everything up inside for you. Storage in the front, docking station on the other side. 50 amp service with your huge pass-through storage. Does have the magnet door holds. Don't have to worry about the old clips that break and you forget about them. Power awning. It's a huge power awning too. It goes almost the whole length of the camper. Is adjustable. Outdoor speakers. And you have your solid step. Fold right up into the doorway. Adjustable legs. Always have a solid step. Nice big grab handle there. And you do have the Dexter tandem axle with your outdoor kitchen. Power jacks. Stabilizer jacks there in the back. Ladder that goes on the fully walkable roof, pre-wired for a backup or monitor camera. And a really nice feature here in the back is underneath the bunks, you have access to storage from the outside, very easy to get to. And you do have the trailer hitch on there and a spot to store your sewer hose. Let's go take a look at the inside. Here we are on the inside of this 2942 BHF Atlas fifth wheel. You can see it has a nice trifold couch right there, big U-shaped dinette with a huge window, pull-down shades. The windows open up in case you want to get a cross breeze, gas, electric refrigerator, and then in the back you have a door, sliding door. You can close off the bunk room area. Does have the window there and a window up on top. Nice double bunks with extra storage there, closet area. Then you have your dual, is it dual? It is, it's a dual stainless steel sink. Really nice for saving water. Put your stuff in there if it's hot. You don't have to worry about burning a ring. Countertop extender, extra drawers, and you have a nice size oven with a 3-burner stove top. Upgraded stainless steel microwave, and look at all the overhead storage here in the kitchen area. You have your ducted AC, max fan, and you have your more storage over there above the couch. Fireplace by your entertainment center, built-in stereo, and your pop-up TV. So when you're not using the TV, leave it down. Gives you extra countertop space. Coming up front, you have your really nice master bedroom. Outlets on both sides. So in case you have a CPAP or your phone, whatever. Extra storage there. Pre-wired for a second AC and a nice closet on a slide with some drawers. And then you have your bathroom. Nice porcelain foot flush toilet, more storage. Real shower doors help you control the water better. Nice wand and skylight. Even has a nice big vanity sink with countertop space and more storage below. So there you go. This is a 2021, and we have it on special right now here at Gander RV. Give me a call. Big Ben, Gander RV, 715-614-2121.